Hello everyone, Dhaval here. I want to welcome you all to the TruAbutment Symposium, June 13th to 15th in Las Vegas, 2024. At the TruAbutment Symposium, I'm going to be teaching 2 live hands-on workshops. On day 1 is going to be all about mastering the single central. How do you plan cases? What kind of pictures do you take? How do you go ahead and mimic it to the natural dentition? How do you use coloring systems, especially MIO 850, to characterize anterior restorations? So if you want to learn anything about staining and glazing, you got to be there at day 1. Day 2 is going to be all about preparation. As CEREC dentists, that is the most important thing. You got to prep a good tooth to get a good restoration. So 2 workshops, TruAbutment Symposium, June 13th to 15th in Las Vegas. I hope to see you all there. Let's collaborate to innovate.